Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about emboss with shape in sheet metal module. So left side you can see the sheet metal component and right side is the forming tool. So this is the component I am going to create, and this is the forming tool. So let's start now. So I am going to create the form tool. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, select center rectangle, select these two lines, make it equal, go to features, select extruded boss and 3 mm height. Select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle, and this is 15. So this is 20 mm. Draw a circle. So this is 15. Select the sketch, go to feature, select extruded boss, and height is 2 mm. And we have to apply a draft. See here, it is inclined. So select the draft angle. So angle is 20 degrees and say OK. Now select this top face, go to sketch and select this edge and select offset, keep it in reverse direction, and this is 1 mm. Go to features, select one more extruded boss and you can assign any value. So I have taken 2 mm height and say OK. Now we have to leave this portion. See here, we can see this location. Material is not removed here, so we have to make that shape. So select this face, go to sketch and select this edge and convert entities. See, there is a reference circle, keep it normal and wireframe. So you can see this circle here. Now we have to draw one corner rectangle at this location and draw two center lines, one joining the midpoint of this and origin and vertically. So two are required. So select this line, make it horizontal, now select mirror entities, select these 4 lines and select this. and distance between these two lines is 10, and this is 2 mm. We can close the loop by trimming this circle. So I am going to remove all the additional lines. See here, I am going to trim this. See here. Select this line, make it horizontal, and select this line, also make it horizontal. Now this sketch is fully constrained now. See here. Now go to features, select extrude cut, and blind take it 2 mm and say OK. See here. After creating the shape, we have to apply forming tool. So we have to select this command, select this face. This is the stopping face, and see here, this is the deforming shape. So we have to leave these two faces as it is, and faces to remove, where we have to remove the faces. See here. So we have to select this face, these two, and these two. See here. And say OK. So this form tool is ready. So either we can save this file, save as, and we can save any location, or we can do pack and go. So we can browse the location. We have to go to the library and see form tool folder. We have to select this, and we can select any customized folder or simply default folder. We can select this. So we can open this folder and we can save this in this location. So at present I have saved this file in this location. So examples file. So after saving this file, we have to close this. See here. Now I am going to create sheet metal component. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select center rectangle, select these two lines equal. So this is 20, and we have to go to sheet metal module, select the base flange. So here I am going to take 0.1 mm and K factor as 0.45. Now I am going to place this forming tool on this flat sheet. See here. Go to position. So I am going to place this exactly at center. For that we have to draw one center line diagonally. See. And move this point to this center. See here, and keep it in isometric. See the direction, it is in downward. So flip the direction and say OK. Since the final component is ready. So we can customize any shape as per our requirement, and this is how we create forming tool for this kind of components. So this is brief about embossed with shape, that is customized component. Thanks for watching.